Hey guys, Dawn Beltrami here from Wazell Properties, and this week I am showcasing a new build for you. Located at Studmont Heights, just north of Washington Avenue at 2913 Hicks. It is a 2,213 square foot, 3-story home, priced at $560,000. They're having an open house this Saturday from 12 to 5. You do not want to miss this, I promise you. Okay, so this is a 3-story property. Just came from downstairs, where you have a 1-bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. Here is your open living room concept to your open kitchen, tons of high-end upgrades. You have a breakfast area or a dining room area. It's quite large. Here's all the showcasing of what Sullivan Brothers can upgrade for you. This is a fabulous open concept using the new hot brass hardware. Love that, guys. You have a 5-burner cooktop. Coming up to the 3rd floor, this is where your master bedroom and your 3rd bedroom is. Again, beautiful hardwood floors. Walk into the master retreat. Fabulous doors with a balcony. Look at this amazing master bathroom. Double sinks, soaker tub, huge, beautiful shower. Here you walk into the 3rd bedroom. You have a balcony from this bedroom as well. That's so cool. Gorgeous bathroom, ensuite, high-end fixtures again. Okay guys, this house is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. What a beautiful new build. You need to come check it out. The house that's for sale in this community is located at 2913 Hicks. It's priced at $560,000. They're gonna have an open house this Saturday from 12 to 5. Check it out, come into the model, look what Sullivan Brothers is doing, all the upgrades that they're gonna offer you. Fabulous home, fabulous location. Don't miss it. Thanks for joining me. You can please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, or call me at 704-996-4881. Thanks a lot, and thanks for joining us on this open house model showcase.